before the Parliament of the Netherlands on 26 March 2018. To the freedom-loving people of the Netherlands, every year on March 26, Achenese diaspora all around the world always commemorate the Black Day, in which the Netherlands officially declared war against the sovereign state of Aceh and began to invade our country on March 26, 1873. It was your state that invaded our land and made it as one of the bloodiest and longest colonial wars in human history. Consequently, our state sovereignty was lost and thousands of our forefathers died and resulted many widows and orphans. In our country, Aceh had invaded yours and colonized it as your forefathers did to us 145 years ago. Will you accept it? Or what will have been your reaction then? Today, we know that Netherlands is a democratic country, a civilized nation, and also a member of the European Union, which highly respects the value of human rights and democracy. However, what your country did to us Achenese during the colonial era is considered uncivilized and could not be simply forgotten. As the present generation of Achenese are still suffered by the consequence of that war, I do hope that the present generation of the Dutch will do something to correct the mistakes committed by your forefathers by asking your government to apologize and help Achenese to regain its own glorious country from Indonesia. My question is, of the government of the Netherlands and its parliament, where is your political and moral